Next up, the 2F General Office key, or just the General Office key on TV station. Me from the future, quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot, and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This key is super simple to get to. On the second floor, zooming in down here, in the southwest side, you'll find the General Office, and inside of here, a smaller room. This is where we're going. It's super dangerous around here. These are two major hot zones. I'm finding my way from the back passage here, through here, into this room. Let's do it. So from here, we'll be going straight for this door, the General Office, and inside of here, to the left, we have this door here. This is where we're going. So opening this and heading inside, here's what we have. So first of all, a dock box on the table here, which had this inside of it, not bad. Then a suitcase, or a business suitcase, I suppose, which had this. Then a safe here in the back right corner, which for me had these. This is locked down. Keep that in mind. Then a military computer next to the table here, or the desk, which had these for me. Around the back, we also have this little trolley thing here, the large materials crate, which had this inside of it for me. On the far side here, we have two jackets. In the first winter coat, we have garbage, and the second one, well, even more garbage. Besides that, there's not really much else in here. Maybe some loose loot on the table, or these tables, but that's really it. You'll probably find better loot just outside of it. Me from the future, quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot, and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.